Hey you guys, it's Zigru55 here with another gun review. This right here is the electric Walther, if you guys can read that. Yeah, Walther's P99 DISCRIPTION. And this I ordered it off of AIRRATLLE, great website. And it came with like one of those things that you'd get like, I don't know, came in like a little plastic dome thing. That's how I got mine. And it came with manual, a couple BBs, a mag, and when you get it, it's just sitting there, and there's all that crap there. And like I said, this is electric. It even says it in the title. It's 4 AAA batteries, so let me put those in. Plus, man, I'm like the worst person to put batteries in things. I think that's the way to put them in. Oh, yeah, I think they are, because it says right there in the little, here, let me turn off this light. Hope you guys can see it. Oh, you guys can't even see it. I'm sorry. If you guys could see that, it says plus and minus signs on it. Yeah, you guys could probably see that, barely though. So, put that in. And right here, that's to eject the, oh wait, no it is not. You don't have to push that. You just have to grab it, pull out the magazine. It comes with 2 weird curvy magazines. So later I will be firing this, but this is what happens. It's a electric Walther's P99 Blowback. Looks like I put the things in wrong. So just with the batteries, what you want to do is how you see the plus and minus signs on it. Where it says plus, you want to do a minus, and where it says minus, you want to use the plus side. So you put that in like that. Make sure it's locked. Don't want the batteries to fall out. So what you want to do is, this is your safety. So you pull the trigger, nothing happens. Once you pull this down, and don't listen to what I said. You do not have to pull that, and you just have to grab it by this, pull it out, and pull it back. So in case we'll be shooting this, well, this it's licensed by Umarex. So yeah, but this has a whopping 110 FPS. I know it because it said on the box. I threw it away. But this is what it comes with again. Just some BBs. The instruction manual inside of it tells you how to do anything like the hop up, what it does. Not even sure what the heck the hop up is on this thing. Oh well, you guys will find it. I remember where the hop up was. It's just that. I don't know. So yeah. So here we are again. Hold on, I need to fold back up this thing. And right here, I just noticed this right underneath trigger cover, whatever you guys like to call it. Right now, it is on semi-automatic. You put right here. You push it so it's on this side of the trigger, not against this side. It's just basically closer to the trigger. And watch. That was semi, now this is fully. There's the total difference. So I will be showing you guys how to fire on semi and fully automatic. First P99 semi-automatic. . fully automatic. Semi-automatic. Let's see how I did. One in the cheek, one in the chin, one in the ear. Here, here, and here. Right here. Two right in the 10. One right there. One right there. The hop up isn't very good on this. One right there. So let's go